So guys, it's a rainy Tuesday morning and it's a day in my life in a German university. I have two lectures today, intermodal transport management and advanced technology innovation management. So I'm about grabbing breakfast. Usually I always like to get my breakfast before going to uni. And if I have a long day, I'm gonna quickly make some lunch, which I'm gonna take along to the university. And I still have some time to do that because my first class is by 11:40. So yeah, it's just a simple breakfast. Sit tight and share my day with me at the university. I promise it's gonna be fun. So it's my first class of the day, intermodal transport management. It's an elective course for me. The class lasts about 2 hours. So guys, I'm gonna give you a tour of the university while I quickly grab lunch, and then we head for the second class of the day.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl.
Like a zombie, it don't matter, nobody stop.
So the remaining part of the day is reserved for studying, assignments, personal projects like video edits, playing games, and usually I try to go to bed by 10 p.m., especially when I have to work the next day, which is not the standard for university students. Basically, you should at least go to bed by 11 p.m. Right now, I can't study. I feel a little bit tired, but I think I'm just gonna do some leisure stuff like play games, and free my head a little because I've had enough to take in today.
It don't matter, nobody stop me. I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there at the after party. Show up looking like a zombie.
I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section and I'll respond. Until the next one, ciao.
Ay, oh.